Hi guys, this is Ola from Cardbond. In this video, we are going to be creating our rendered images for our Xbox Series X controller pad, and this is going to be the last video. So I first want to say thank you to everyone who has stuck around till the end. This is not going to be an instructional video because rendering, I feel, is more or less a personal thing until you are satisfied with how your image looks. Hence, it's going to be a time lapse, but I'm going to be using both Fusion 360 rendering workspace and Keyshot external software. I hope you guys enjoy it, and let's get right into it. guys, thank you so much for sticking around, and I hope that your own rendered image looks far better than this. I'm not taking a lot of time to work on this, but I hope that you have a model which you are proud of. Alright, this is the end of this project, and eventually meet again. Hi there, if you liked this video, you can give it a thumbs up by clicking on the like button, and if you are yet to subscribe, it takes you just about 3 seconds to click on the button and select the notification bell so you get updates when new uploads are made. Alright, that's all for now. See you in the next video.